So 5 over 9 pi. Therefore, theta is 5 over 9 pi, right? Then all you need to do is calculate this, solve this for r. Then r is going to be, first I multiply 9 to both sides, therefore we have 63, as 9 to both sides, then you have 63, and then r times 5 pi, divide both sides by 5 pi, then it's going to be 63 over 5 pi. Therefore 63 over 5 pi, if you put this into the calculator, then again, oh my goodness, 63 divided by, did I put that? Divided by, parenthesis, 5 times pi, parenthesis, equals, so you get 4.0107. So r is 4 point, what is that? 0.0107, blah blah blah. Therefore, it's approximately 4 inches, 4 centimeters long. So this is 4 centimeters long. Okay. So yeah, that's it. And now, next problem here, you need to solve for. Okay. What? All right. Next problem here, 37. It takes 10 identical pieces to form a circular track. So it just means that you need 10 slices of pizza to form a complete pizza here. Therefore, the complete pizza, the central angle of the complete pizza is 360 degrees. Therefore, you need 10 pieces. Therefore, each slice has a central angle of 36 degrees, right? So 36 degrees. I mean, it's not really 36 degrees, but if you have 10 of these, then you form a circular track, right? Well, it's a track, therefore, you have a center here, and then um, you can draw a circle. Oh no, you can draw. Oh, why is it like this? Okay, you can draw a circle, and there is another one like this, right? Because it's a track for a pair of toy racing cars. If the inside arc of each piece is 3.4 inches shorter than the outside arc. So it says each piece is 3.4. Therefore, this slice, for example, if this is x, then this should be x plus 3.4, because it says the inside arc of each piece is 3.4 inches shorter than the outside arc. Therefore, it's just going to be x, right? What is the width of the track? So we want to know the width of the track. Therefore, we want to know the length of this, right? How do you get that? So let's just say that this is r, and let's just say that this is r prime. That what we need to get here is r prime minus r, which is the width of the track, right? Then again, what is our x? X is 36, so 36 degrees. Then again, 36 degrees. You want to convert this into radian, right? Then what you need to do is pi over 180. Then what you get here is that pi over 5, right? 36 divided by 180 is just 1 over 5. Therefore, pi over 5 times r, right? Then x plus 3.4 is pi over 5, again the same central angle, and then r prime, right? But what we need to know is this, right? So let's just say that this is the first formula, and then let's say this is the second formula. Let's just do 2 minus 1. If you do 2 minus 1, then you eradicate this, right? Then the left-hand side is just going to be 3.4. The right-hand side is going to be pi over 5 r prime minus pi over 5 r. Therefore, pi over 5, if you group this with pi over 5, you're undistributing pi over 5, then r prime minus r. Therefore, 3.4 is 5 over pi. Therefore, this is the same as r prime minus r, right? So this is the answer. So if you fully calculate this, then again, you need to multiply 3.5 by 3.4 by 5, and you need to divide this by pi. Therefore, the answer here is 5.41. 5.41 centimeters thick. So here, this is 5.41 centimeters thick. So you might not get R, and you don't need to get R prime and R. You just to get the thickness of the track. Therefore, this is the answer. Okay. So now 38. Um, 38. I don't know. Okay, well, I'll just do 38 over here. 38. Um, this two concentric circles on an arbitrary target are 6 inches apart. So then you have a circle here, and then you have another circle who has the same center. Therefore, you have two circles. Okay, and then it says the inner circle has a perimeter of 37.7. Okay, 37.7. First of all, okay, this is a yellow target, and then the inside one was red, right? Okay, inside one was red, so I'm not gonna mark that. But anyways, so it says it's 6 inches apart, so the length here is 6, right? And then the inner circle has a perimeter of 37.7. So let's just say that the radius of the inner circle is r, then the circumference perimeter is 2 pi r. Therefore, that is 37.7 inches, right? And then what is the perimeter of the next largest circle? So what is the perimeter of that? Is 2 pi. Therefore, this one is the radius of the bigger circle is r plus 6. So then we need to get this one, right? So then this is 2 pi r plus 12 pi. We know that 2 pi r is 37.7. And then 12 pi, we need to calculate that here. So 12 times pi, then you get 37.6991, and then you need to just add 37.7. Therefore, the answer here is 75.399. 75.399, blah blah blah, inches. Because this is asking for the perimeter. Okay, so this is the perimeter for the smaller one. This is the perimeter for the bigger one. So okay, now this is it for the video. I'm sorry again for being so late. I had some issues, um, life and everything that I can't really talk about. So well, but everything is settled and handled properly. So all right. But if you ask me another question in the future, then I will respond as fast as I could. Okay. Well, this is it for today. Well, I hope I'm not too late, but I think I'm really late. But I hope you learned something from this. Okay. Thank you for listening. And then if you have any other questions, just let me know. I will respond to you as soon as possible. But well, it might take up to a week, okay? Because I have classes during the weekdays, and then I also do have some other classes like tutoring sessions and stuff. So, well, if you have questions related to this video, but make sure to watch and rewatch until you understand. And then if you don't understand what's going on here, it probably might be because you do not know the radian and then radian and the degree or angle conversion. I described that in a YouTube video that I made for you before. You might remember that. Well, anyways, this is it for today. This is all I have for you. Make sure to subscribe and like the smash the like button.